Enjoy the view of this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS class. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Superbly prepared to make every adventure a delight, this handsome GLS 4MATIC delivers full-size luxury, bold power, impressive towing ability, and advanced tech to keep you safe, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated and/or cooled front seats, front massage seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio, power passenger seat. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy the delights of grand luxury in this GLS 4MATIC SUV. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.